Hey, you good over here? Yeah, Hagakure told me that he saw you moping around and he came to tell me. So, you okay? Hey, come here. Yes, I'm hugging you. What about it? Is that an issue? Okay, I'll stop. Come on. What's wrong? Oh, it's the noise. Okay. Okay. Luckily, I came prepared because I knew that, Makoto would probably want these, but you need them more than he does. Here, where are they in my pocket? Oh, they're right here. They're earplugs. Take them. Come on, they're gonna help a little bit. But then you won't be able to hear me. Okay, well, do you want to go in the front or the backyard, maybe? I think Hagakure is smoking in the back, though, so I don't think the back is the best option. We could go upstairs. Still noise? Okay. Oh, it's not the noise? Then what's upstairs? Oh, yeah, then that's, I don't want to hear that. Let's not go upstairs, then. You know, I don't feel like Togami should have hosted this party. I really don't feel like he should have. He had it coming. He did. Seriously. He invited Mondo and Taka as soon as they get into a serious relationship. Stupid. Okay. Come on. Let's go outside. No, it's fine. It's not embarrassing walking out. It's okay. Dude. Here, let me close the door. You know how many people in our class hate loud noises? I'm not kidding. A lot. I mean, I'm cool with parties and everything. I've been to many, right? But sure, I can get a little anxious with all the noise. And then Chihiro. I don't even know what the fuck that... I don't even know what they are, but they're really terrible with noises, too. Oh, they're a boy, okay. He's really bad with the fucking noises, okay? Taka's terrible with noises. So is Makoto. That's why I brought the earplugs. I might as well put them back in my pocket for Makoto, because you didn't use them. Gonna have those? Hey, give them back. Fucker, give them back. Thank you. You get it. It's really hard. Loud noises are not a lot of people's cup of tea. And I get that. It's an issue. And I'm not gonna ask what it is, because I don't want to interfere. But whatever it is, whether it be anxiety or just not liking noises, then that's not your fault. It's your brain. It's what your brain wants and your heart wants. It's not you. Yeah. I promise. Everything will be fine. Okay. I'm gonna check what time it is, though, because last time I checked, it was like 5 minutes till countdown, so... yeah. Alright. 3 minutes till countdown. Okay. We got enough time to talk out here, right? Yeah, it's enough. Just, keep track of time. Yeah, I'll do that. You know, I almost had a game today, but I had to pry out of it, which took a long time. Yeah. What did Hagakure tell me about you saying, oh, I don't know, I guess I was just closest to him. Not emotionally, no, like, lengthwise. Like, he could look to the left and I'd be there, so that's probably why. Yeah. we should probably go back inside now. There's 2 minutes left, so. Okay. Come on. It's okay, I'll hold your hand the entire time. No one's gonna think we're dating, come on. What, are you embarrassed to date me? We're not dating, but if we were, would you be embarrassed? I am offended. Come on. Yeah, they're good. Just feeling a little tired, yeah. They want to go home after countdown. I convinced them to, they wanted to go home before countdown, and I convinced them not to, yeah. Alright, see you, dude. That was a close one. Have I been drinking? No, I don't drink. I mean, I stopped drinking. I used to. Got any, New Year's kiss plans, by any chance? No? I see, I see. But, no, nothing, no. No particular reason. Alright. See that TV right there? That's the Powerball. And when we start the countdown, the ball goes down. Hey, Kyoko, you can I have a chip? Yes, thank you. You want one? Okay. There you go. There you go. Good, right? There you go. Got over that one. Yes! These are good. What flavor are these? Salt and vinegar? Makes sense here. Good. Oh! Fuck, Fireball. Hard. Okay. Yeah, hurry. Oh, damn it, okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year's.